secrets on how to be an alpha male and maintain that state. I'm going for a walk. I'm in Europe. Welcome, man. So number one secret why you're not feeling an alpha male is because you're not approaching any girl during the day. You need to approach minimum 1 or 2 quality women. If you are a beginner, for example, beginner means a guy who approached up to 100 females. It's a beginner. So if you're a beginner, so you need to approach minimum like 5 girls a day. If you are advanced guys who approach minimum 1,000 girls, so you can choose to approach quality women, for example, you know, like 2 or 1 female a day. And your mood will change. So just imagine if through one day you approach 1 woman, so in a week you have like minimum 5 new numbers and minimum 4 dates, because those approaches will be very quality. What I do as I approach 70,000 females during my life, so I do quality 1 or 2 approaches. And so you can do the same if you're advanced. And your mood will change. That's the way how to maintain being an alpha male. There's no other way, because if you will not approach, if you will stop, it's same like you stop going to gym. It's you stop, you know, going to working out. Your muscles will drop down, you will start to feel weak. So you need to maintain with skill. For example, how you can maintain? You wake up, you go to do your business. It's at 8 a.m. morning. You approach a female and you come in here close, or first of all, you observe here. You observe what she's doing, what she's up to, what she's wearing. Then you approach and come in here. So that opener is very on situation. So she will not say like you are a player or you read some pickup lines in a book. No, you will look very natural. You will approach, and when you will do time constraint, you'll say, you know, I don't have much time. I need to go, you know, to this direction and so on. So tell me something more interesting about you. You look quite pretty, but tell me, what are you doing in your life? So she will start to tell. When you will develop conversation, show some photos, some videos from your phone, make connection, and then take her phone. You can see those pictures, what I met, what kind of girls I met during the day. And I think, you know, all alpha males should meet girls during the day, because you as an alpha male, you want to save a lot of time. You don't want to, you know, go to nightclubs, destroy your schedule, like wake up, you know, very late, like 12, 1 p.m. No. You want to wake up very early, like 6, 7 a.m. morning, work a lot of, achieve a lot of. So day game is very important for you, it's very necessary. Day game means you see a girl during the day everywhere, and you know how to approach her, how to make her interested and get her number. So you can go to Alphamantraining, and on the right side banner you will see approaching women during the day. You will see pictures what kind of females I approach during the day. They are so beautiful, so amazing, so quality women. Such kind of women you cannot meet in clubs. We are not going to clubs. So most quality women in my life I met during the day. So you can do same as well. So I told you one secret how to be an alpha male, how to maintain that alpha male state, how to be in that state. So number 2 secret, you need physical contact with women, with any person in your life. And how you can achieve that physical contact is just the only way. You go to dance lessons, or you are a dance teacher and you train people how to dance. You can be, you know, martial arts teacher. You can go to martial arts, doesn't matter what kind of activity, but you need physical contact during the day. If you are getting zero physical contact with human being during the day, you will not be in alpha state. When I have been 19 years old, for me is now 27, when I have been 19 years old, I opened a dance school back in Lithuania. And I was getting so many physical contacts, where I was feeling in so alpha male state, you cannot imagine. I was touching a lot of females, a lot of men, I was training, and I was feeling that alpha. I was being in that alpha man state. So a lot of physical contact. So ask yourself where you can get physical contact, where you can give for people physical contact. And number three secret, you need at least to meet 1 or 2 males during the day. What I do, I call to my client, or some clients come to me, we talk, or I call to some of my friends, or I call to my dad or my stepdad. It doesn't matter. You need to get males' energy. Talk with them about cars, about achievement, about things you want to do in your life, how you can help them and how they can help you. So you need to get that masculine energy. That's it. So those 3 things you need to do. So what it happens, a lot of physical contacts, new numbers, new females, and maintaining also with males. And that's how you maintain how to be an alpha male. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe this Facebook channel, make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel, and don't be like this weak guy, with that weak body language. So be alpha male and respect people will respect you, and until next time, bye.